We hear a lot about these new interfaces, but in my experience, I mean, what I do with a keyboard and a mouse still seems pretty efficient. I don't know if I want to have to bring my hands up to control a computer. So can you talk about the need for this interface?
Well, I think there are several things that drive us to want these new interfaces. One is we expect many, many more surfaces to become active display components. So the idea that the computer is just that thing in front of you that you look at, that'll become antiquated fairly quickly. So the walls, the tabletops, all will become part of the computing environment. Once you get in that environment, you look for richer ways to interact with the computer. The other reason is that there's 6 billion people plus on the planet, and most of them don't actually have a computer in the traditional sense. And so if we can find a way to use speech and vision to enable higher level interaction with computing, many more people will get the benefit of computers without having to master the point and click and type interface.
Right. We've seen a bit of touch interface integrated into Windows 7 and into the Microsoft Surface, this big touch table. How does that play into this idea of a natural user interface?
Well, for many years we've, you could say, experimented in products with the individual elements of this natural interaction model, but mostly in the past they were just being used as an alternative way to drive the traditional graphical interface. I think what we see happening now is each of those has matured to a point where, taken together, it may provide a wholly different way for people to interact with the computer.